Okay, it is March 31st, and it's 83 degrees out, and it's 75 in the house with the room with the thermostat, and it's 78 upstairs, so figured I'd go ahead and turn on the AC. Now, this isn't its first startup, but it's its first startup in around 5 days. It has gotten to the 80s multiple times so far, and the unit's been turned on without me knowing, so this is like its first startup that I'm filming, but not its actual first startup of the year. So yeah, let's go ahead. So there it went. Now, I did just clean this. As you can see, the ground's kind of wet over here. I didn't do a thorough cleaning, just, to kind of make this look presentable for the startup. But sometime in the next month or so, I'm gonna actually do a thorough, deep cleaning of this unit and take out all the leaves inside and really thoroughly clean the coils. This unit does get serviced every summer, so that's good. The air coming out of it isn't too hot because the blades were wet. But yeah, this has been a really nice unit. Works really well for us. With the new thermostat we got, it used to run constantly with the old one, but now with the new thermostat, it cycles even when it's 90 degrees out. Unless it's super hot or there's a really high heat load, that's the only time it'll run constantly. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do my winter units next. Okay, here is my GE. I've done deep cleanings of this unit twice. It was really annoying the last time. These units, they're pretty decent quality, but they are not meant to be taken apart. It's from 2020, 5,000 BTU. Pretty standard. So let's go ahead and turn it on. A little fan first. Now, I'm putting this in on March 31st. I've never put this unit in this early. It's really unseasonably warm this year. Alright, here goes the compressor. So yeah, there it goes. This is a really good unit, honestly. It blows, it's not blowing cold now, but it blows really cold air. It works pretty well for this room. It's kind of noisy, but it is what it is. has a GMCC rotary compressor and a Welling fan motor. Then here is high. I'm gonna leave it on this speed for right now because it's 79 degrees in here. Pressure of the fan. This doesn't need to do that. See, I'll go ahead and show it from the outside now. Can't really see it too well from here, so yeah, I'll do the